forget to sign up for my giveaway for this painting, link below. But that's not what this is about. That is a reminder. What I'm really excited about is about these guys. I found this on Amazon together for around $12, and these are like little mannequins for drawing. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing so you can see it, and then we can go over how they feel, how they are, and what comes with them. Okay. So yeah, Amazon for like $12. The Figma Archetype. So let's begin this review. The Figma figures came in these cases, just depicting some poses for the figures, and it's both male and female. And again, I got this on Amazon, and they were both $12, so it was very, very, very cheap. So, and they also came with this extra feet and hands, so you can change the hands posing. And the one thing that you want this for is basically for if you want to draw and you want to like you know, save your money on having a model, or if you want to look for references, and you want to make your own poses, you can use this for that. And it gets the job done, but one thing is that these figures, they kind of don't feel like high quality, but it's kind of one of those cases where you get what you paid for. But it does come with the stand, so there's that. And I mean, they're very, very pulsable, and you have like this toe joint right here where you can change the pose of the feet. So they do feel like very, very, very fragile. It's very light plastic. So there's that, but the joints have a lot of articulation. You just have to be careful with how you mess with this. The neck's a little weird on this one, on the female one. So I don't know if it's just me, if it's just me and my taste, but I don't know. Both necks are like a little super thick. So yeah, I use this one. It's from the same. No, I don't think it's from the same. It's not from the same line, and this one it feels like a sturdier plastic, and this one is better. So you probably think, well, Yuni, if you already have this better premium figure, why do you buy these cheaper ones in Amazon? Well, this one kind of fell and broke, so I kind of crazy glued the neck, but there's no rotation of the neck anymore. So there's that, and I do prefer this one, but until I get replaced, I'm gonna use either that one was broken or this one's. So yeah, these are little Figma figures. They cost you only like $12. They're very tiny, and I do see like if you're low on cash like I am, something like for this price value is okay, and you can use this in multiple ways. You can use them as reference and just look at them and draw them like that, or you could take a photo and then draw over it, which is kind of like tracing, and people kind of frown upon that. But as long as you get the job done, that's what matters. So that's my opinion on tracing. And if you have like any sort of accessories, you can, you know, put them on their hands. The hands do have different posing. See how there's a closed fist, an open hand, and a hand with you can hold stuff on. So yeah, I'm kind of glad that I got these guys. Plus, for the price they're not really that bad. But they do have in mind they do feel a little bit cheapish, but like these legs tend to fall off at the joint, but just re-put it on the socket. And yeah, so when you see like now drawings of a guy and a girl from me on my artwork, I'll probably be using these guys as my models. So yeah, that's it for this video, and this is a very different kind of video. I have done reviews before, but it's been a while. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye to these guys, and I'll see you guys soon. And I do have a giveaway right now going on for this week. It's for a painting, and check out the link below so you can see the stuff. And remember, these guys, I found them on Amazon. They're from Figma, and they both came for $12. I think it was from a personal retailer, not Amazon itself, which is why I was able to get a deal on them. So now you know.